If you want to search for a song on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, we have two ways to do so. You can use circle to search, so you can press and hold your finger on the home button until you activate circle to search, or if you use gestures for navigation, you want to press and hold your finger on the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen. Over here we should be able to find the music icon, the note icon or button. You can tap over here and then your phone starts listening. So if there's like any song being played in the background, or if you play it by yourself, if you sing a song or if you hum a song, then you might be able to get Google search results with the song title. And you can actually find a similar option by going to Control Center or Quick Settings. Actually, you might need to add it first, but it is possible to have it in here. And this is the second option. So in my case, I don't have it added by default, so I need to tap on this pen icon at the top of the screen. Now at the bottom, we're going to use add a control, and in here I can find song search. So I can, for example, drag it and place it pretty much anywhere. I can drop it here into this main section of the control center, or I can drag it into this expandable area. So once I go over here, I can use this button to quickly open exactly the same thing. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.